Hi guys, welcome to reveal day number 3. I am sharing the new July products. This is your paper pad club of the month for July, and we have a beautiful yellow and blue theme. We've got daisies and sunflowers, hummingbirds, just gorgeous. So let me tell you a little bit about our paper pad club of the month. It's one of our customers' favorite clubs. You get 2 paper pads. There's an option to opt in for coordinating ephemera and a coordinating stamp set. So the option of I Want It All goes really fast. So if you are thinking about joining and you want to choose the I Want It All option, shop early for the best selection. Release day starts July 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So today I am going to color up this beautiful stamp set. It's called Stop and Smile. We've got 2 gorgeous scenes with hummingbirds and sunflowers or flowers, however you want to color it up. The sentiments: just because, postcard moments, stop and smile, soak it up, a sweet hello, a view worth pausing for, little moments, big joy, you're a bright spot in my day. So I love this. So we're going to color that up. Let's look at the paper and then we'll look at the coordinating ephemera. So you get 2 paper pads. They coordinate well together, so you could kind of mix and match them if you wanted to. So Seeds of Happiness. So you are able to grab this ephemera on its own. This will be listed individually, but the paper pads are listed under the Paper Pad Club. You are able to purchase it as a one-time purchase or join our monthly club. And when you join monthly, you get 18% off, so it's a great deal. And you'll get your paper pads sent to you automatically every month, 30 days from the date you purchased. So this is just so pretty. I love the blue and yellow sunflower look. We have another paper pad that has the same color theme, but it's sunflowers and bees. I think it's called Sunshine Bees. It is just really pretty, one of my favorites. This looks like alcohol inked background. And then this really pretty meadow. Just so happy and sunny. You can't go wrong. This will definitely cheer somebody up. And then in this pad you get some cutouts. So you got 4 of these images, so really pretty. There's a few sentiments in here. Let's see: spread seeds of happiness, live in the present. And then the images are just so pretty. And if you didn't want to use images, you could use the back. It's got like a yellow glitter. And that just looks like alcohol ink to me. Super pretty. You really can't go wrong with this paper pad. And then this one is called Denim and Daisies. So this is pretty cool. So you got like a denim background with daisies. And then this one has pockets from some denim jeans. And then a swatch of color, yellow and blue. This one's got some city buildings in the background. This one's really pretty, a meadow, pretty daisies there. And then a yellow glitter. This one looks like a pair of jeans, so that's neat. If you have one of those pocket dies, this would be perfect to cut out. And then it'll look like a jean pocket. And then on the back, you got some jean pockets with some daisies. And then this is your, looks like a city neighborhood in those beautiful colors. And that looks like alcohol ink background. And then this pair of jean pockets with the daisies, or the smaller daisies. And then this also looks like some jeans or some denim. Very, very cool. And then our ephemera really goes with both paper pads, but it's meant to go with the Denim and Daisies paper pad. So if you are in the club and you need extra ephemera, we have this listed individually. Look how cute those roller skates are. We've got some window scenes, and we've got some city scenes. Those gym shoes are really cute. There's a straw hat. We've got some denim jeans, little postcard, little city, or a little neighborhood house. This cat is really cute with the little daisies. A little ball cap with some daisies. Here's a little smaller size. Some tea. These sunglasses are really cute with the sunflowers in the reflection. Little camera. So these would make some great summer cards. Even some scrapbook layouts of your summer vacation or something like that. Here's a bigger set of sunglasses. Some headphones. Make some great cards for teenagers as well. Look at that cute dog on a skateboard. There's one of our ladies. Okay, I'm going to play some music and speed through this a little bit.
The paper colors, sweet designs, stamps and dies, they all combine. Mix and match, have some fun. A handmade card for everyone. Okay,
so there's all the ephemera. So my idea for this card is to take the Easy Wonder Die number 3 and cut out my colored piece and just have a really pretty scene on my postage grid. So I think that's gonna look super pretty. So let's go ahead and stamp this out. And I'm gonna use the Postcard Moments sentiment. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm gonna take the other stamp and just ink up the sunflowers. Okay, that's great. Love that. I'm gonna play some music while I do some coloring.
No need to fear, inspiration's always here. Join a challenge, play along. Crafty friends make us strong. Not too shabby, come create. Easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every way. Not too shabby, come create, easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. So grab your paper, grab your glue, handmade love in all you do. Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every.
I'm going to take a Jelly Roll pen and add some little highlights on my image. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. We'll be back. I'm going to add a little bit of tape to hold my image in place, and then let's run this through. Okay, so there's my image cut out, and then it did cut this piece out, so I think I'm going to use that on the inside of my card to decorate. So I don't want to waste that. So let's get our card base. For this card, I'm going to leave a lot of white space and just have this coloring just pop. There's also this banner in the Easy Wonder die number 3, so I'm going to put my sentiment on there. I want to do some splatters here. So what I'm going to do is get out my black acrylic paint and do some black splatters just on this piece here. So I've just got some folk art in licorice, and I'm just going to put a little blob on there, and I'm going to water it down, some water, and I'm going to want to cover my bird up a little bit just in case a big blob like goes on there and I'm not liking it. So I'm going to take a scratch piece of paper and we're going to cover that up, and I'm just going to tap on I think I'm going to add a little bit more water so it's easier to tap off. There we go, that's easier. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit braver to tap a little bit more over here by our image. Okay, that's good.
Got a crafty vision, but don't know where to start. Matching paper ephemera, it's a work of art. No more stress, no more doubt. I've got what you need.
I'm going to add my little sentiment right here in the center.
Crafting's a breeze. We're not too shabby, shop today. Paper stamps in every way. Mix and match, make it pop. Crafty fun.
And then for some contrast, I thought I'd use the blue in this pack of enamel dots. This is from the Brewing It Up collection.
Want pro results, but short on time. Easy Wonder dies, cut so fine. Need inspo, no big deal. Mood boards help bring all the feels. Oh, you're not too shabby, shop today. Paper stamps in every way. Mix and match, make it pop. Crafty fun that never stops. I'm a day.
Okay, so this completes my card. Really pretty. So what do you guys think? So would you have gone for that splatter, or would you have left it just plain? Let me know in your comments. I love to hear your thoughts. Meet me back tomorrow for a release day party at 10 a.m. Release time starts at 9 a.m. If you are one of our club members and you want to shop early and get your exclusive coupon code, please email me and I will get that out to you. I will be making a card with this on tomorrow's live. So thanks so much for shopping, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for release day. Take care. Bye, guys.